Hi guys, Rich Bassini here. Today I want to talk about YouTube Shorts. Could they help your YouTube channel grow? Can they hinder it? Could it help? We're going to find out. But before I get started, I want to share something with you guys real quick, talk about YouTube Shorts. I made a little snapshot of mine over here. I'm going to put it over there. And as you can see over here, folks, the ones that are highlighted, these are shorts. I just took a little snapshot of them. And you can see they weren't really too bad, you know, like this particular one got 108, this got 252, 191, 58, and 163. Not bad for a small YouTube creator such as myself. What I want to talk to you guys about, and I'm going to go over here for now. Let's go back over here to this window here, and let me just do this here right quick, guys. Sorry, there we go. What I want to talk to you guys about the YouTube Shorts here is I typed in over here, will YouTube Shorts help my channel? And this is for people who are newbies, or you think about starting a YouTube channel. This information might be of helpful to you if you want to stick around and hear me out. It goes on to say here, YouTube Shorts, it says over here, use YouTube Shorts to promote and grow your regular channel. Every time you post a short, it's an opportunity for the content, for your content to get a view, and that view could turn into a channel subscriber or someone who engages with your main channel content. Keep that in mind, what I'm saying, folks, okay? Keep that in mind. Then they have other things over here. If you want to also read it there, like I said again, you could do that at your own leisure, okay? It says over here, do YouTube Shorts affect the channel? Should you put YouTube Shorts on your main channel? Is it still worth doing YouTube Shorts? Can I monetize my channel with YouTube Shorts? Those are questions that you could check out at your own leisure. For all intents and purposes, I just want to bring this to your attention, just try to help you out. Like I said, I'm still in the learning phase myself, and the more I make you guys aware, hopefully you become better YouTubers, YouTube creators out there. So without further ado, leaving that to the side, I just want to get that little snippet of information to you. Let's go over here, and this one here is from TubeBuddy. Okay, and let me give you the URL because I don't have any affiliation links with these companies I'm sharing with, these websites I should say. I get the information here, and like I said, if for all intents and purposes, my YouTube channel is to help inspire and share. So when I come across something I think might be of interest to you or may be helpful to you, I will make a video on that there and put it out there so you guys could, you know, learn from it, hopefully, and hopefully you get a takeaway from it. But anyway, let me give you the URL to this here. It's www.tubebuddy.com. Okay, now it goes on to say here. Now actually there's a whole bunch here. Let me just scroll over here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. When you come over here to their home page here, this particular topic came out April 7th, 2022. I know it's in April, but it's okay. Old news is good news, right? It says how to use your YouTube Shorts to grow your channel. Really good information here. I'm going to read a little of it, then I'm going to go some of the highlight stuff. We're going to scroll down to the bottom. And so, did you know that 12 million YouTube channels have collectively published over 213 million shorts, and that's views not surpassed? Yeah, and that views have now surpassed 5 trillion. Right here, 5 trillion. It's not me, I'm just reading. It's over here. YouTube has been making shorts a priority, and strategy is paying off. Okay. I'm just going to read that little one over there. Let's go to the highlights, okay? Let's get a little highlights here. YouTube Shorts, the basic creators need to know. Again, it goes on to say here, YouTube Shorts are vertical or square videos that are 60 seconds or less in length. Shorts can be 60 seconds continuous video or several 15-second videos combined. All right. Again, I'm just going to pass that up. I'm going to go reading some more stuff over here. You can click these on here and get some more information. I'm going to come back to this website after I'm finished doing this video, so it's going to be both of us checking it out. Then it goes on to say how to use YouTube Shorts as a growth strategy, and I'm going to just read the highlighted ones here. Keep it very snappy, right? It goes, if you're used to publishing regular long form videos on YouTube, you're probably used to hooking people in the 20 to 60 second long intro. You won't have that luxury, so make sure the first few seconds of your video are exciting and grab the audience attention. That's number one. Always add value. Don't just create for the sake of creating. Instead, give a value to your audience through your shorts and align the content with the goal. Example, increase engagement by 5% or acquire 250 more subscribers. And then it says use replays. Shorts are played in a loop, so they carefully consider how your content will come across it, continuously repeated. And then it goes on to say here, understand the format. YouTube Shorts aren't meant for shortened versions or longer videos. They should be easily digestible and content of your audience, for your audience there. Okay. Then it goes on to say ideas for YouTube Shorts content. Again, just going to read the highlights. Promote your regular channel. Number 2, teach your audience. Number 3, behind the scenes footage. 4, create on the fly. Number 5, jump on trends. Okay. Now here's the topic that came up. Sometimes I hear from other YouTube creators. Should you make a separate channel for YouTube Shorts? Now, me personally, I do have other channels. I have, but they're dormant. They're not doing anything right now. My suggestion, and this goes out to the new YouTube creators out there who think I start a YouTube channel, stick with one channel for now. Okay, get used to the format and the whole, how can you say, the whole process of creating videos and putting out content. Stick with one channel for now, seriously. If you feel, but again, you're the creator, okay? You're the main man here that's going to run, or woman that's going to run your own YouTube channel here. So you're going to make that final decision as to whether you want to have a main channel and a vlog and a short YouTube short channel. That's totally up to you. Me personally, I want to promote one channel right now, and that's why I'm going to incorporate my YouTube Shorts in my main channel. But again, this is totally up to you. That's your call. It goes on to say here, just reading a little into it, says there are 2 schools of thought regarding creating a separate channel for Shorts content. Yes, absolutely, and no, and definitely not. Then it goes on to say the thing is, there is no right or wrong answer. It depends on what you as a creator feel comfortable with. So remember that, okay, folks? No one's telling you have to have 2 separate channels. Okay, if you want to have the both incorporated into one, go for it. If you just want to do strictly shorts, you could strictly do a YouTube short channel. That's fine too. You could do that as well. All right. And then it goes over here. I like this part. It says, take Mr. Beast, for example, whose shorts channels has generated nearly 13 million subscribers and 1.4 billion views to date. Well, for those who don't know, what do you call it there? Mr. Beast has, I think, over 100 million subscribers so far and growing. So it's no wonder, right? All right. Now, what I want to share with you is I went over this here, very brief, okay? Again, that's why I gave you the URL. You could read it for yourself. Like I said again, I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to take you over here to this YouTube video, and I'm going to drop the link below. Now, the reason why I'm pointing out this video to you guys up there, and it's called YouTube's Algorithm Explained with Mr. Beast. I was listening to another creator out there, and it kind of like sparked interest, so I figured let me share it with my subscribers. What he was talking about in this video here, I'm not going to say too much because I don't want to, I don't want to disrupt the way it's pronounced, coming out in the video, because I'm not saying it verbatim and it might not sound right. But the way I understand it, from what I gathered, the way I understand it from him, the way they do the long form and the short form videos, which are the YouTube Shorts, for some reason the algorithm wasn't interacting with them or wasn't working in sync with them, and therefore they disconnected it from what he was saying in this video. And I'm going to give you the timestamp, and you can listen to yourself. Now, you might say, well, why don't I play in the video? I don't want to get any community guideline strikes, okay? The person here that's talking right now is, I believe, a YouTube employee. And again, this was at VidCon. This story came out, or I should say, this video came out August 3rd, 2022, this month, okay? So he talks about it, and then later on, I'm going to give you, like I said, I'm going to give you a timestamp. The way I understand it, they're going to reconnect it, and once they do that, hopefully all the people that do create shorts, stuff like that, hopefully they'll get more views, and hopefully it'll bring more traffic to your main channel, and so on and so forth. So I'm just sharing this with you guys, especially if you're thinking about doing shorts, YouTube shorts, you might want to check this out. Now let me give you the timestamp here. It's going to go, if you want to switch over, like if you don't want to watch the whole video, as you can see, it's an hour long. It's 36:28, okay, through 3833. Okay, as you can see here. He talks about the YouTube algorithm, and this particular topic, what he's talking about in this time slot, is basically in regards to the YouTube Shorts. Okay, now again, hopefully you'll get a takeaway from it, from what he's saying. Again, he's sharing it with Mr. Beast, and you'll get a better overview on how the YouTube algorithm works, and how it's going to affect the YouTube short videos. Okay, to me it sounds like, in the beginning, when he was saying, from when he was watching that part where he said they disconnected it, so therefore if they disconnected it, the way I understand it, it wouldn't be of help to your main channel. That's the way I understand. That's why I'm interpreting it, although I could be wrong. If I am, drop a comment below if you want to help me out and assist me with this here. Alright, that's all I have for you guys right now. Like I said, I know the video, it seems like I'm talking fast and going fast with this here, folks. I don't want to take too much of your time up. I like to keep these videos, somewhat in a good short range for viewing here, so to speak, because I know you guys are busy, and sometimes I know myself, I like to go on and on with videos, but keep my video content active and keep it a lot longer and be more explanatory when it comes to sharing information with you guys, but at the same time I got to try to keep it as short as possible. So I hope you guys will check this out. You can watch the whole video too, by the way. Okay, I watched the majority of it. I got to watch the other half. I watched the first half. I got to watch the last part of it. Very good information he puts out there. And most important thing, keep a pad and a pen with you. Jot notes down, because it'll help you out. You know what I'm saying? I know people could always go back to the YouTube history, but definitely check this out. All right. As I always like to say in closing my videos, if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I'm wishing you guys all the best and success. And keep it original, keep it real, and let it grow organically. Until next time, bye-bye for now.